Stop. You don't need another crash course. You don't need 10 ways to learn Python fast. You don't need to reorganize your Notion for the 5th time. You don't need to switch languages, buy yet another Udemy course, or binge 17 hours of JavaScript tutorials hoping this time it'll stick. What you need is to code. Seriously. If you can write a for loop or define a function, you're ready. I am so ready. Number. You're more than ready, because at this point, more knowledge won't help. You need more frustration, more trial, more error, more building, more breaking. Open your editor, break something, fix it, break it again. Here's the real talk. Learning to code isn't about consuming endless tutorials. It's about wrestling with code that refuses to listen to you. I didn't understand pass-by reference until it ruined my entire night. Didn't get async functions until I spent 4 hours screaming at undefined. Tell me in the comments, what's the concept that nearly broke your soul? Because guess what? The best way to learn is the hard way. Pick a language, just one. Stick with it like it stole your lunch money. Want to build a website? Cool. Use what you already know. Want to make a tool, an app, a bot? Awesome. Just do it with the language you've already touched. But what if there's a better one? There is. There's always a better one. But switching won't make you better. Shipping will. There's no such thing as a master programmer. Even engineers at big tech are Googling how to center a div and forgetting syntax every day. They're not great because they memorized a textbook. They're great because they've been solving one problem after another for years. So stop searching for shortcuts. They don't exist. There's just you, your code, and 1,000 tiny mistakes that slowly shape you into a real developer. Now stop watching. Open your editor. Get stuck. Stay stuck. Because that's where the real learning begins. Smash that like button if this hit home. And drop a comment. What's your "I thought I got it, but I really didn't" moment? Let's grow through the struggle. Together.